भी करना।
And now, okay, you may say that, oh, fantastic. We know normal distribution, and we also seen standard normal distribution or G distribution, and we got to know how to calculate. Once you after calculating the G score, we know how to understand how much of data is there in between the G interval. But what is there for me? Okay, how does it benefit me? Why should I learn these things? Answer is here. So we use standard normal distribution for several reasons in statistics and data analysis. So one of the main here are some of the main reasons. The first one is to compare values from different distributions when working with different normal distributions with different means and standard deviations. It's difficult to compare the distributions directly by transforming the data to the standard normal distribution using G-scores. So we can compare values from different distributions on the same scale. And second one, to calculate probabilities. So statistical tests and hypothesis testing often involve calculating probabilities based on the normal distribution. The standard normal distribution simplifies these calculations as it has a known mean of 0 and the standard deviation of 1, so making it easier to look up probabilities from statistical tables or use software to calculate the probabilities. And the third advantage of third advantage of converting a normal distribution into standard normal distribution is it will make we can perform some statistical inferences. So many statistical inferences techniques such as confidence intervals and hypothesis tests are based on the assumptions that the data follow a normal distribution. When the distribution of the data is unknown or non-normal, we can use the central limit theorem to approximate the distribution to a normal distribution. By transforming the data to the standard normal distribution, we can perform these statistical inference techniques more easily and accurately. And the final one, but the very important one, to detect outliers. By calculating the G score for each data point and looking for extreme G scores, such as values which are greater than 3 or less than -3, we can identify potential outliers that are far from the mean of the distribution. So, in summary, transforming data into standard normal distribution using G scores is a useful tool in statistics and data analysis that simplifies calculations, allows us to compare values from different distributions, and enables us to perform statistical inference and detect outliers.